name is Chef Maka Kwon, and we're going to be making for you today a firecracker salmon roll. I have some already made here. I'm going to show you how to roll one up. It's easy for you guys at home to understand. First, you're going to need salmon. You need some baby romaine leaves. I usually use the core of the leaves. Some salt and some blackened fish spice. Okay? So first off, we're going to salt our fish and a little blackened spice, both sides. Okay? Both sides. And then with these romaine leaves, these cores, I don't know if you guys see the cores. Simple. Not the outer leaves, just the cores. There's the outer leaves right here, look. Put the cores on the bottom. And this is a cool dish because I learned this dish from my mentor, George Gomes, and he taught me this, and I use it everywhere I go. I use it at home, at the restaurant, specials, and I even like using the bellies. The bellies is probably the best part of the salmon for me, but you can use them, Here we go. So we got the romaine leaves, we got the blackened salmon, and we're just gonna fold it. And I make a little burrito. Fold both sides over, and then I'm gonna roll it, and then I'm gonna get this little bit of egg wash here. I'm gonna wipe a little egg wash. Okay? And I'm just gonna seal it with the egg wash. Booyah, look at that. Perfect packages, yeah? So I have some oil, some just regular canola oil in a pan, about a medium-high heat, and we're gonna fry them. Here we are, we're gonna fry the firecracker salmon rolls. I got it on medium-high heat, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I didn't put a lot of oil in here. Here we go, right inside the oil. Is that bubbling? That's it right there, baby. Keep on bubbling. And if it's too hot, turn it down. See? It's okay, just turn it down. I'm gonna put all 5 inside. Because I know these camera guys over here, they wanna eat it, so I gotta make them all. Here we go. And I got some newspaper, because I like to save all my paper. Instead of using paper towels, so I drain it from here, okay? When I cook these things, I like to not overcook the salmon, so, and you can peek, you can cheat, you can look, flip them around, listen, take a look. There's no rules in cooking, unless you're in the kitchen, but this is a home kitchen, so there's no rules. Okay, flip your salmon rolls, and you can see them, look at that color, it's super brown. And the middle should be nice and like about medium, okay? Flip it. I'm terrible at chopsticks, even though I'm Korean, but it's okay. And if you don't have chopsticks, you use a pair of tongs. Great. So we're almost done. You can smell this. You can smell the salmon. You can smell the blackened spice. And like I said, don't use a lot of oil, because what are you going to use the oil later on for, right? Don't waste the oil. Okay, here we go. Our salmon rolls are done. We're going to let them rest for about a minute before we cut them. But I'll let you know about this sauce here. Simple sauce. Lime juice, cilantro, and sweet Thai chili. To make the dressing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop this up really simple, okay? And this is about what? 3/4 of a cup. And this is about 3 or 4 sprigs of cilantro. You can put more if you want, you can put less. It's really up to your flavor. You can also put toasted peanuts in there if you want. You can also put Hawaiian chili peppers if you want. So here I go in a mixing bowl. This is sweet Thai chili. And if you don't like sweet Thai chili, then use oyster sauce with hoisin and shoyu and ketchup. Tabasco, that's, if you ain't got this, use something else. And I got about a half a lime, and squeeze it all in there, okay? Get all that lime juice in there, and it gives that zesty kick, that little nice kick. And the sweet Thai chili is not very hot. It's sweet Thai chili, And then cilantro for the nice pungentness. And I'm just gonna mix it all up, okay? And like I said, if you want to add anything else into it, you want to add peanuts, you want to add Hawaiian chili peppers, you want to add shoyu, go for it. It's all up to you. But here's our salmon. Look at this, guys. Love this guy. I just cut him on a bias, and I just show him like that. Look at that. Medium rare in the middle. Oh, delicious. There we go. And if you do it like this, if you make it stylish in your house, people might think that you're a chef, and they're like, oh my God, how'd you do that? You look like a pro, yeah? You want to make them look pretty, yeah? Like we've done this before. And that is our firecracker salmon roll, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for joining us at KTA Kitchens, and enjoy your firecracker salmon roll. Oh, delicious.